Welcome to Projects with Matt. In today's video, we're working inside on our fridge. When we bought the house, the Samsung fridge, the water dispenser never worked. I took a guess and thought it's the switch mechanism in this actuator here. So I went online, ordered the part, and we're gonna replace it. So stick around and let's replace it. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is take this whole panel off. There's one screw right up here that holds the panel in, and there's a few clips around it that just pop out as you pull hard. So I'm gonna take the screw out. It's right in there. This is what the screw looks like. Mine is super corroded. You can see the bottom, which is probably an indication of what it looks like inside. All right, so from what I can see online is you just pull hard here and this whole mechanism pops out. And then up in here there is a multi-pin connector that pulls out. So we're gonna pop that out. And now we've taken out this whole mechanism. You can see that this one, super disgusting. There's mold in there. That's actually very disgusting. I had no idea there was mold in there. So this is the part that I bought. So this is just the switch mechanism, not that control board that you saw me just pull out. So now I have to figure out how to separate the switch mechanism from this to replace it with this. So now we have our mechanism, this computer and switch setup out on the counter. Now we have to figure out how to separate this component from the actual assembly here. So looking at the new one we got, it just looks like it just snaps into place. And there's not much. So I wonder if I just give it a... It doesn't look like it's glued in place, which would be absolutely ludicrous. All right, that did something, whatever I just did. I stuck the screwdriver in and just gave it a really good twist. Let's take the small screwdriver on this side to get some room going. Put a bigger screwdriver in on this side. There we go. I have no idea what that just did, but it's out. Whew. I'll let you guys get a close look at how disgusting the one was in here. This is why you gotta do this when you buy a house. Replace it. I have some cleaning solution here, and I'm just gonna scrub this whole assembly before I put it back. All right, so now it's time to install this new one. I'm gonna take this protective plastic off now. I'll link all the parts in the description below. All right, so let's see how we can let's make some room. Okay, so there's those slits that it fits through, and it just seems like it just slides right in. Wow, much easier to put in than take out. So now this one, the brown and black goes to the lower connection module. This brown, orange, black, yellow, red goes into the high side, right there. And then this larger one goes into the multi-pin connector on the fridge. Cross your fingers, we're gonna see if this fixes our issue that we've been living with for almost 3 years. So I'm gonna pop this back in to the multi-pin connector. I think it's connected. And I'm gonna take this guy, line him up, and give him a good push in. there's a little clear or black tube that the water comes through. So you just gotta pop that back into a little slot. I'm gonna test the ice first. The ice worked periodically when we first bought the house, but then it stopped suddenly maybe a couple months in, and the water has never worked. Wow. So it fixed the ice because the ice never came out, didn't even make any noise. Now we have ice. The water is what I'm most excited for. And we have water. Awesome. So happy that we were able to fix this with this simple replacement of this switching mechanism. We'd been thinking about buying a new fridge because this key feature had never worked the whole time we've been in this house. So super glad that this was able to fix all of our problems. I'll put all the details with the product the actual fridge that we have with the model number, as well as the model and the link to the actual part that we bought. This part was like $65. It was on Amazon. I ordered it last night, came like at 11 o'clock today, and it is now 4 o'clock, and it's fully installed. We have a fully functioning fridge with water and ice. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe.